The P0053 code indicates a problem with the heater circuit in your Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor. This sensor is located before the catalytic converter and is critical for monitoring air-fuel ratios. The heater ensures the sensor warms up quickly for accurate readings, especially during cold starts. The code means the sensor's heater resistance is out of the normal range. Ignoring the code can lead to catalytic converter damage, costing thousands of dollars in repairs. Keep watching to learn how to fix it. When the P0053 code appears, the first symptom you'll notice is an illuminated check engine light on your dashboard. This warning light signals a potential issue with your vehicle's emissions system. Another common symptom is a noticeable decrease in fuel economy, potentially up to 20%. This occurs because the faulty oxygen sensor heater prevents accurate air-fuel mixture adjustments, leading to inefficient engine operation. You may experience rough idling, where the engine runs unevenly when stopped. This is caused by improper sensor readings affecting the engine's idle control system. The vehicle may fail emissions tests due to inaccurate oxygen sensor readings. While not an immediate safety hazard, addressing these symptoms promptly prevents further damage to the emissions system. Several factors can trigger the P0053 code. The most common causes are a faulty oxygen sensor, often due to wear after 100,000 plus miles, corroded wiring harnesses, a blown fuse in the underhood fuse box, or in rare cases, ECU failure. Environmental factors like extreme cold or road salt corrosion can also contribute to this issue. Before replacing any parts, start with basic checks. First, inspect the wiring and connectors leading to the Bank 1 Sensor 102 sensor for any signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Check the underhood fuse box for any blown fuses related to the O2 sensor heater circuit. A visual inspection can often reveal obvious problems before moving on to more advanced diagnostics. A multimeter is essential for diagnosing the P0053 code. Disconnect the O2 sensor from the vehicle. Use the multimeter to measure resistance across the heater circuit terminals. Refer to your vehicle's service manual for specific pinouts. A normal resistance reading is typically between 2 to 5 ohms. Higher resistance or an open circuit indicates a faulty heater. Be sure to only measure resistance when the circuit is not powered. If the multimeter test confirms a faulty O2 sensor heater, replacement is necessary. Use a proper O2 sensor socket to remove the old sensor. Install the new sensor, ensuring it's an OEM equivalent like Bosch or Denso for optimal performance. Apply anti-seize compound to the sensor threads to prevent corrosion and ease future removal. Tighten the sensor to the manufacturer's specified torque for proper sealing. Corroded or damaged wiring can also trigger the P0053 code. Carefully inspect the wiring harness and connectors leading to the O2 sensor. Repair any damaged wires by splicing in new sections and using heat shrink tubing to protect the connections. Clean corroded connectors with electrical contact cleaner. Apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. A thorough wiring check can prevent recurring issues. After replacing the O2 sensor or repairing wiring issues, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the P0053 code. Start the engine and monitor the O2 sensor readings to ensure they are within the normal range. Drive the vehicle to allow the ECU to relearn the new sensor data. If the code returns, further diagnostics may be needed, potentially indicating an ECU issue, though rare.